If your holiday meal needs a festive upgrade, this is the cookbook for you. Let's dive in. Introducing the 100 Christmas Recipes Cookbook, your ultimate guide to a stress-free, scrumptious holiday feast. Packed with 100 mouth-watering recipes, this ebook has everything from appetizers to desserts. Imagine starting your meal with a Christmas pineapple cheese ball or a vegetable Christmas tree. Then, wow your guests with dishes like Grand's rosemary roast chicken and cheddar potato gratin. And don't forget to end on a high note with a cherry pecan bread pudding. What's more, this cookbook is as visually stunning as it is practical. Each recipe comes with full-color photos, making it a feast for your eyes as well as your taste buds. Whether you're a kitchen newbie or a seasoned chef, these recipes are simple and straightforward. But here's the kicker. For a limited time, you can get all this for just $12.15. Plus, with full unrestricted use rights, you can rebrand, resell, or even put your name as the author. That's right, start your own blog or add this to your digital product collection. And as a special holiday bonus, we're throwing in family Christmas recipes and DIY healthy tips at no extra cost. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description and grab your copy now. Make this Christmas the most delicious one yet. Thanks for watching.